How to get started delivering for gigs. Diversify your platforms. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. Explore opportunities on platforms like Uber Eats, GrubHub, DoorDash, Spark, Instacart and Roadie. Each has unique advantages, so working for multiple platforms can expand your opportunities. Prioritize customer service. Kindness matters. Show gratitude to your customers, maintain politeness, and wish them a wonderful day. Positive interactions can lead to more generous tips over time. Optimize your delivery process. Equip your delivery vehicle, whether a bicycle or car, with the right tools. Bungee cords in a front rack can secure your cargo during transit and speed up loading and unloading. Know your platform inside out. Understand the rules and requirements of your chosen platform. This knowledge will help you maximize your earnings. Remember, building lasting bonds with customers and working efficiently are key to success in the gig delivery industry. Also consider learning digital marketing to make passive income on your phone, selling done-for-you digital products, and finding financial freedom as another side hustle.